At sa ngayon po, ano yung mga ginagawang paghahanda ng Meralco kaugnay nitong posibleng epekto ng gulo sa Middle East?
Well, we continue to work with the government, Cheryl. In fact, we fully support the call of our good President, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., na magpatupad tayo ng isang agresibong energy saving at energy efficiency campaign. At we are one with the government as far as this is concerned. We support this call. Kamakailan nga ay nagbigay na kami ng aming position ukol dito, where we said that demand side management is one of the initiatives that we will undertake to ensure that somehow we will be able to cope in case there will be some issues and concerns as far as supply is concerned. Bukod dito, we continue to be in active coordination with the government through the DOE para masiguro natin yung patuloy at continuous delivery of electricity service to all our customers in the Meralco franchise area.